Welcome to our video guide on managing the personal catalog module. In this tutorial, we'll explore the module's settings that empower users to create unlimited wish lists. After installing the module, navigate to the Modules and Extensions tabs in your admin area. Locate the Personal Catalog module and click the Edit button to access its settings. Enable the module, providing users the ability to create unlimited wish lists. Allow users to copy and move items between wish lists. Enable customers to add and move items from wish lists to carts, enhancing their shopping flexibility. Click Update to save your customization. These were the simple steps to manage the Personal Catalog module, offering users a personalized and convenient shopping experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy managing!